Nice gutters.
Those filthy gutters of yours, they can be more than just a source of embarrassment. They can cause water to pool against the roof, causing wood rot behind the gutter. As if the wood rot isn't bad enough on its own, it can even attract termites. That's bad news, hombre. So let's talk about how to clean them out. Here's what you'll need: a rake, contractor bags, a ladder, and a leaf blower. Climb up on that ladder with your leaf blower. Oh, wait. Let's talk about ladder safety real quick. If you haven't already, go watch our ladder safety video, okay? Where were we? Oh yeah, so climb up on that ladder with your leaf blower and just send that gutter debris to the moon. You'll likely need to do this twice a year, but this varies depending on how much foliage you have around your property. After clearing out the gutter, you'll go around the perimeter of your home to rake up all of the debris and stash it away into a contractor bag. To help prevent your gutters from building up with as much junk in the future, you can install a gutter guard. So protect life's biggest investment and get that neighbor off your case by keeping those gutters free and clear to do their job. And remember, for all of your home inspection needs, give Diamond Head Home Inspections a call at 808-228-7478 or visit our website at diamondheadhomeinspections.com. We'll see you there.